Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we are cooking this creamy coconut fried rice that is super yummy and full of flavor.
Cook it yourself.
First, the ingredients: rice, coconut milk, shrimp, green peas, carrots and bell pepper, fried liver, diced onion, turkey broth, spices, salt, bouillon cubes, grated ginger and garlic, diced Scotch bonnet. Add your washed rice to the pot. I am cooking 3 cups of golden cedar basmati rice. Add your coconut milk and mix together. Start with the most important liquid ingredient, which is coconut milk, before adding the broth. Mix together, then add hot water. Mix again and cover to boil. I am trying to get the rice to about 70% softness. Once the liquid is almost dry, I reduced the heat by half so the rice can steam. Open and mix together to avoid lumping, then remove from fire. To another pan, I added a little oil to fry my pre-marinated shrimp. I marinated the shrimp with a little salt and bouillon cubes. Once the shrimp is a C, you know it's cooked. If it's a O, it is overcooked, so watch out while frying your shrimp to make sure it's not overcooked. I took them off the oil once it was done. I added ginger garlic mix to the same oil, mixed together and added my onion. Then covered it to cook for about 1 minute before going in with my Scotch bonnet. Once this has been added, I went in with my green peas, mixed together again and added carrot, all the while still mixing, just so it doesn't burn. The spices I used are thyme, tarragon spice, onion granules, cumin and fennel seed. I mixed that together, then went in with my bell peppers. I also added my preferred liver at this point, then went in with some salt and bouillon cubes. This frying process should not take more than 5 minutes, so as to make sure that your vegetables are not overcooked. I began adding the rice bit by bit and stirring as I worked the vegetables in. This is to make sure that I have a good rice to vegetable ratio. After frying for about 5 minutes, I went in with my shrimp and covered for a minute to steam. Can you see how easy and fast it is to make this coconut fried rice? Thank you for watching with me. Please share, like and subscribe.